welcome back to my channel. So unfortunately, it's my vacation. My time here is up. My time here in Kisumu. My time here is in Kisumu. Hey. My time here in Kisumu is up, and now I need to go back home before my mom personally comes and deports me. Nicole has decided to be a okay, I don't know, just anyway guys, so I really enjoyed my stay here. It was nice. I had fun, and now it's time to go back to reality. And so now that I'm leaving, Nicole has decided to make me breakfast. She's decided to prepare for me some mandazis, right? Yeah, so we're gonna have mandazis and some tea. Then afterwards,
Guys, I'm not crazy. I just have a bad hair day, and that's why we are.
bad hair day.
Waislamu for 2 seconds. Waislamu wa Masai for 2 seconds.
Yeah. So, guys.
So, guys, my bestie's leaving.
Yeah.
Hey, you're so happy. So, guys, my bestie's leaving.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
It's
time.
Mishkui.
Yeah, sadly,
but she'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back,
and we have a surprise for you guys. When she'll be back.
Yeah, we have a big announcement to make. Very, very big announcement.
Just, no one is pregnant, but it's a big announcement.
Yeah, no one is pregnant,
but very big announcement. So you guys will enjoy.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Sharon's channel. Yes. Support her. Let's get her to 500 subscribers. Don't just watch. You see you people 85% watching and then you're not subscribing.
I know. When? Just subscribe and watch the video and like.
Hiyo tu.
Just that.
Hata comment ka emoji tu, hata kama ni poop emoji. Bora ni kitu.
Yeah. So anyway guys, let's get right into it. Bye. Okay. I'm supposed to say bye right now, right? Let's get right into the cooking of the video.
She's leaving me hanging on my head.
Oh. Serious.
Caught up in a cycle in this tattered kind of world. My manic is panicking if I'm really the type of girl who stays up until the morning. It's boring, at least I hear some type of endurance.
I've always made a fool.
So guys, we're waiting for the oil to heat up, and this is yeah, and this is the tea.
The next morning.
Hi guys, so I got home safely, thank God, and I have my niece here with me. Say your name, baby.
Hello guys, I'm
Yes, she said subscribe. So anyway, guys, I know there's noise all over. It's children out there playing. Apparently, everyone here is feeling like kuna joto. There's warmth. Yeah, there's warmth. But I'm feeling cold because I have this hoodie on. Like I'm feeling cold, and there's sun outside, so I don't really know. I don't really know what's up, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to be doing a bit of cleaning. Yes. And then after the cleaning, I'll prepare a meal for us. Yeah. It's my welcome back home gift. Cleaning and cooking.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
So finally, after 5 hours, many hours of cleaning, I'm finally done. And yeah, it's time for me to go and prepare a meal. What are we making today? Yeah, we'll be making chapati and some chicken. And I think that will be it for today, guys. This after the cooking, it will be the end of this vlog, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. If you've not subscribed, just like my niece said, subscribe. See you, mom. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe and like my videos and share. And yes, so guys, see you. Yes, you heard her. She said subscribe. I'm going to see you. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ciao.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. That we can do nothing at all. So what if you still believe